Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Corvette. The Chevy Corvette is America's best-known nameplate. If you are looking for sharp and fast, the Vette is for you. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster, Sirius XM radio. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.